I am Harsh Kumar Khatri, and in this video we will be solving another Google interview. So let's get to what the question says. It says we have to search an element in a sorted and rotated array. We are given an array which was sorted in increasing order and then its elements were rotated in bits. We are given a key which is 3 and we have to find what is the element in that array at the key which is given. So let's get to the editor and see how we can solve this. I'll be first importing all the things which are necessary, making the main class. Next, putting all the values in the array. I'll be taking two variables, one of which will be having value 0 and another the value n-1. N is the length of the array and another variable k which is the key which was given in the question. Our function which we'll be making to search the element will be returning integer, so we'll be taking it into another variable named found, and our function name will be searching, which will be taking all the values we have declared above. Finally printing the found variable, making the function. We'll be returning -1 if L is greater than R. Next we will be finding the midterm of both L and R which we have taken. We'll be checking if the middle element is the value of k. If it is so, then we'll be returning the middle which we have found above. Now once we have got the value of mid, we'll be checking if the middle value is the value which is to be found, that is k. If this is so, then we'll be returning mid. If this is not so, we'll be checking another condition, which is if the middle value is less than the L value, which means that the element will be present in the first half of the array. Another condition for assuring that the element will be present in only the first half. If this is so, we will be recursively calling the searching function by decreasing the value of mid by 1. If this is not running, then we will simply be returning or recursively calling the searching function by taking initial value is mid plus 1 and final value is R. Another condition, if the value lies in is greater than the middle value and is less than the first value, that is array L. If this is the case, we'll be returning searching again, recursively calling that for the similar condition which we did above. Finally, we'll be returning a similar condition which we have written above. This will be there every time if any of the above condition is not true. Running the program, we can see we have got the output as it was expected in the question. So yeah, that is it for this video.